Hello, those of you who are looking to purchase or refinance a home using FHA insured financing. I want to talk to you about the FHA loan limits and what they are. Now, FHA loan limits are set nationally every year, and they're based upon an analysis of the average purchase price in each county within the United States. The majority of the counties will be set at the same limit, okay? And I don't want to talk about what the limits are right now because I want this video to be one that you could watch in each year, each of the following years, and I don't want that number to change for you. But the limits are set where the majority of the counties in the United States will have the same maximum FHA loan amount. This is the maximum FHA loan amount that you could borrow. It's not your maximum purchase price. I'll come back to that. There are some high-cost counties where the homes are more expensive and the FHA loan limits are higher in those counties, okay? And we have a lookup tool that I'm going to link to in the first pinned comment and also in the description that'll be embedded within our page about FHA loan limits. So what I was just going to get back to was you can buy a house that's way higher than the FHA loan limit. The only difference is that you have to bridge the gap with a larger down payment. So if the FHA loan limit, for example, is $500,000 and you want to buy an $800,000 house and you need an FHA loan for whatever reason, well, the down payment you'll need there is $300,000. Hopefully that explains that. If you'd like to speak with someone, get a quote, have another discussion, or maybe just move forward because you need a pre-approval, just visit us down below at the first pinned comment at FHAlenders.com. We'll help you there. I hope you have a great day and we'll see you next time.